Hello everyone, my name is Ashok Mittal. I am from Delhi. I am a corona survivor and a plasma donor. I thought I will share my experience in both the scenarios with you so that this can benefit to all of you. The first part is when you have symptoms of corona. First and foremost, go to the doctor, get the prescription and get your corona testing done so that you really know whether you have corona or not. If you get a positive report, do not get panic. It is fine. As long as this is not very critical or very serious and you are not really suffering from any other major illness, it can be cured. In fact, it can be cured at home. So when I got the report positive, the first impression I was having in my mind was stay positive when you are positive. Do not be negative. Now how do we really handle this is first, drink lot of water. Water can be taken in any style and shape. It can be normal regular water, hot water, warm water. It can be nimbu pani, it can be juices, not very cold juices. And you can really take this. If you take more water, it will flush out most of the things from your body. Eat fresh fruits and vegetables. Take steam if you are required. Do gargles at least twice a day. And another important point, remain positive. Take medicine wherever required. You should definitely take that Ayush Kadha which is available once in a day in the night time. If you do all these things, I think in normal case you will be cured. You will be absolutely fine in about 6 to 7 days time. In between you will feel some issue related to your smell. You may not get smell, or you may get very bad smell within yourself, or you may not feel taste of the food, which is fine. I think this should be over in say 5 to 7 days time. With this you will be actually all right and fine within about 8 to 10 days time, but still give full 14 days rest to your body. So once 14 days over, you will be fine. That is what happened with me. And when I was absolutely fine in 14 days time, I decided that I will donate my plasma to somebody else to save their life. Now for giving plasma, it was initially very difficult to find people whom we can give our say plasma. Now there are lot many websites or contacts available. Now this plasma donation is little tricky, so we need to understand this. First and foremost, this is little long process, taxing, tiring, boring, I will say, little frustrating process. So you should be mentally prepared and physically also be prepared that this is this kind of a process. This is actually a 2-day process, both the days around 3 to 4 hours. So what happens on day 1 when you go, when your blood has matched, blood group has matched and everything, you will go and they will do 3 tests for you. One will be for antibodies, one will be for protein, and then corona, COVID test. So the first 2 results of antibodies and protein, they come faster, but corona test takes time. So you give your samples and come back. If your reports are okay, then you will go second day. So on that day again they will do normal blood test, which means HIV or WBC or hemoglobin, etc. If it is okay, that result will come in around say 1.5 to 2 hours, and then plasma donation process is about 30 minutes. Trust me on this plasma donation is absolutely painless. There is no pain. It does not give you any weakness. There is no risk, no effect, side effect. It's a good thing, and you will really enjoy actually donating plasma, because inside you have that feeling this is going to help, and this is going to help 2 people. When you give plasma, they take 2 units, so it's actually given to 2 patients, and hopefully you can save life of 2 people. I have done this. If you are a corona survivor, you must do it. Thank you.